Welcome back to Glamorgan Archives. The COVID-19 pandemic means we've had to make a few changes to the way we deliver our service. We've changed our opening hours so that we can open safely. We will be open on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays. We will be open from 10 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. and from 1:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. We will be closed for 1 hour over lunch so that we can do some extra cleaning. You will need to book an appointment to visit us at least 1 week in advance. You can contact us by email at glamro@cardiff.gov.uk or by phone on 029 2087 2299 to make an appointment. When you book, you'll need to let us know which documents you'd like to see. Our staff can help you with this. You will only be able to order a limited number of documents, and some of our larger items, especially maps, may not be accessible right now. Please don't book a place or visit the archives if you or anyone in your household is showing any symptoms of COVID-19. This could be a temperature, a cough, or a loss of sense of taste and smell. Please wait until you have received a negative COVID-19 test result or have completed your isolation period and are completely recovered before making a booking. If you start to feel unwell between making a booking and the date of your visit, get in touch with us by email or by phone and we can rearrange your appointment. Each booking is for one person only. If 2 people from the same household or bubble wish to visit together, let us know when you book. You will need to book 2 seats, but we can sit you together. You will be given an arrival time. Please stick to this time so we can avoid queues at our reception desk. Please wear a face covering when you visit. If you're exempt from wearing a face covering, let us know when you book. Please wash or sanitise your hands when you arrive in the building. If this is the first time you've visited Glamorgan Archives, we will register you before your visit, taking the details we need by email or on the phone. Please bring identification with you when you come in. You can show it to our staff through the screen. If you've visited before, bring your Glamorgan Archives card with you and show it to the staff through the screen. You will be given a number when you arrive. This is your locker number and your table number. Our lockers are open, but there is a limited space, so please only bring with you items that are essential for your visit, such as a notepad and pencil, or a laptop, and a camera if you want to take photographs. And don't forget your pencil. Pens aren't allowed in the search room, and we can no longer lend out spare pencils. Our toilets are open and will be cleaned regularly. Please sanitise your hands, making sure the sanitiser is rubbed in and your hands are dry before entering the search room. We can't have hand sanitiser in the search room, but we'll be cleaning door handles and surfaces regularly. We've reduced the number of seats in the search room. This is so we can make sure there's at least a 2-metre distance between our visitors, plus room to move around. Take a seat at the table with your number. Our staff will then bring over your first document. Your documents will be quarantined for 3 days before your visit. The only people touching them will be you and the member of staff bringing them to your desk. We have a strict clean hands policy. Our staff will wash or sanitise their hands before touching the documents, and they will wear face masks when moving around the search room. Any reading aids you may need, such as book supports or weights, will be on your desk ready when you arrive. They will be cleaned between use. When you've finished with your document, let our staff know. They'll collect it and bring out your next document. It isn't possible to browse our library books just yet. If you'd like to see one of our books, let us know when you book your visit and we will get it out for you with your documents. We can't provide access to computers at the moment, but if you bring your own device with you, a laptop, tablet or phone, you'll be able to connect to our free Wi-Fi. And don't forget to charge your device. We can't guarantee access to a power socket, so make sure your battery is full before coming in. For family historians, free access to genealogy sites won't be available for the time being. We also can't provide any one-to-one family history advice, but if you contact us by email, we'll try our best to help. If you want to take photos of documents, let us know when you book. We can email you a copy of our photography form, or we can have a paper copy ready for you on your table. If you need a camera stand, we can make one available to you. If you have a hearing impairment, please let us know when booking, and our staff will wear visors to help with communication. And if you need support when visiting, let us know when booking. You'll need to book 2 places, but we'll seat you together. We're looking forward to welcoming you back to Glamorgan Archives.